Hi, I'm Mariam, and I'm from Broward Meditation. This week's topic is me who is concerned about how others see me. This was a very big topic for me, and something that I feel was a part of almost every interaction I had with others until I started using this meditation method. Through this meditation, I started to realize that many of the things I perceived others were thinking about me were just my own thoughts and ideas, situations I created in my own mind without even knowing how the other person thought or felt. And often because of that, I would present myself in a particular way, which was a way that I thought they would like or thought that they would enjoy, not always my genuine self. And this was false. I realized that all of these thoughts, fears, concerns, feeling of lack that I had inside were all just from my own mind world. So as I started to throw away and started to become universe mind, realizing that in universe mind there is nothing that is lacking, and that I could harness the universe mind from within myself, I started to realize I could be more genuine in my interactions with others, redirect my behavior to be myself and not worry or try to wonder how they were perceiving me. So I'm so grateful to the method because my interactions with others, those who I'm known for a long time, and even new people I'm meeting, is so much more comfortable and calm and genuine, and I really appreciate that. Thank you to the method.